Bine.
You always knew how to cover your tracks, didn't you, William? But I know what you've done. I've always known. It's not revenge. It's justice. Justice for her.
You got games on your phone?
I won't let her be
Oh, no.
forgotten.
Nice.
Why you bullying me?
Oh nu! Mi-am luat cyberbully! Ei, lăsați în pace! Uh-oh. Tatăl cui? Nu te duce, mă. Tălâmbău. Oh, shit. Ce o să facă Henry? Nu te spune.
Enrique!
Okay. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Welcome to Fredbear's Family Diner.
Bine v-am găsit.
I'm Joey. I'll be one of your guides for tonight, so, brace yourself for a fun little evening.
And I'm Joanne. So we're here to give you the lowdown on the place. So, it was opened back in '79. You know, a cozy arcade, family restaurant, all that, but it didn't stay so happy for so long.
Yeah. Henry Emily's daughter went missing a while back. Broke him completely. Since then, he's been hiding out in a basement. We don't really know what he's doing down there, but we snuck down there once, got caught, and, well, we got switched to the day shift.
Oh yeah, and William Hatton, the co-owner. He's been acting weirder by the day. You know, Henry thinks Hatton is taking over the night shift. But, Hatton made it super clear not to tell Henry this, but Hatton dumped the night shift on you instead.
Right, so, not to alarm you, but ever since Henry's daughter went missing, the animatronics began acting up. Here's what you need to watch for tonight. First, Spring Bonnie. If you spot him making his way into your office from the left door and he tries to open it, just push it back shut.
The other problem is the security puppet in the prize corner. Each room's got a speaker that plays a lullaby, but you can only trigger it from the CCTV. If you play it in a room, one camera away from the puppet, it'll follow the music instead of heading towards your
Taci un
room.
pic, a plecat.
If that thing gets into your office though, you're in big trouble. An alarm will go off and every animatronic in the place will come straight for you.
So, keep Spring Bonnie out, and keep the puppet busy with the lullaby. Easy enough, right?
Da, da.
You know, I'll call you back later for your next task.
Bine. Deci, trebuie să mă uit aici, dar nu văd nimeni. Și trebuie să mă uit și după văd, trebuie să văd, dar eu văd, să uit un pic la el. Hai bă, vino la ușă. Nu te țin. Nu te ține, frate. Oh, oh! Ieși! Ieși! Mhm. Ugly ass. Și s-a întors acasă. Aici. Oh. Oh. Ok. Stau pe capul ăsta. Sunt amândoi aici. Super. Stați aici. Ok. Deci se teleportează la o cameră distanță. Deci super. You really bought that life? Bă! Tu vină înapoi. Nu pot să-l trag aici. Și după aici. Ieși de aici. Pleacă de acolo că nu e voie. Pleacă de acolo.
Pleacă de acolo că nu e voie. Pleacă de acolo. Pleacă de acolo. Pleacă de acolo. Pleacă de acolo.
Hai bă, că e ușor. Wow, electricity. What do you mean continue shift? Oh.
Hey, it's Joe again.
Oh.
I need you to do something tonight.
Oh.
The vent system's been acting up all day. Fans are cutting out. Airflow's weird. Honestly, it's starting to feel like something's crawling around up there. And it's not just Balloon Boy. Yeah. Balloon Boy likes the vents a little, too much, but this feels different. I can't explain it. Just, keep your eyes open, alright? So, here's what you need to do. There's a control panel in the vent room. Pull it up and you'll see the vent system controls. It'll give you a list of tasks to complete. It's pretty basic stuff, but you have to be pretty quick. Now, if Balloon Boy does show up in the vents, don't panic. Just, flash your light at him.
Flash? Who?
He hates that. Should send him scurrying back to wherever he came from, but, if you hear something else, something bigger, don't ignore it. Trust me.
Bine.
You know when it's not Balloon Boy. Look, just stay sharp, keep the vents running, and don't let your guard down. I'll check in when I can. Good luck.
Wow. Băi, muce. Stai. Stai. Adică, danger din spate. Pleacă de aici. Ok. Mai dă o dată. Mai dă o dată. Oh, oh! Ah! Ce dracu e? Ah!
They replaced me. They forgot about me.
Cum adică? Nu vă spărați. Taci! Hai! Ok, deci pot să mă uit aici. Ah, și înseamnă că e la jumătate. Ok, deci pe asta am făcut-o, da? Bă! Okay. Stai, nu-mi place, nu-mi place, nu-mi place. Nă! Închide-te! Bă, da, mult mai bate. What the fuck? Oh. Ok, din stânga și din spate, nu. Hai. Bă, asta e prima noapte. Taci. Bă, care fac pe asta prima. Hai. Deci l-am pus pe asta. Și după și pe asta. Yes. Oh. Bun. Pe asta. Și după pe asta. Bun. Ăsta. Și după ăsta. Bun! Asta este la fel. Vine de sus. Vine și de spate. Nu, te rog, te rog, te rog, te rog. Te rog. Te rog. Bă! Bă! Ok, hai. Bun. Gata? Super! No, nu. O citește fix pulea. O să fac pe asta aici. What? Oh. Oh. Unde e balon boy? Ok. Nu-i pe aici. Ba da. Ca pe mine. Hai să ne calmăm. Ne calmăm! Te pup, ce faci? Ei, vădule! Vădule! Închide-te! Am uitat, ok. Hai, bă! E băiatul cu balone aici. Te pup! Pleacă! Gata! Dă-ți asta. Nu. Acum! Trage! Trage! Ok. Mai am pe asta. Și pe asta. Hai să fac pe asta. A. B. A. E. Nu. A. Hai să ne calmăm un pic, vă rog eu. Hai că m-am și căcat. La mișto așa. S-a lăsat și seara. Continuăm. Facem răs. Hai, fac pe asta prima. Oh. Băiatul cu baloane sparg nasul la râs. Aș da cu deci. Cum fac cu asta? Ok, eu fac pe asta. Bă! Mergi. Hai, fac pe asta. Mă și în pula mea de urât, bă! Băi, ce zic? Acum mi-ești bine. Oh. Nu. Pleacă! Nu! Băiatule. Care? Dai. Hai, bă! Oh, vine căcatul din spate. Ok, stânga două, stânga jos, două, stânga sus, una dreapta jos. Trebuie să mă uit pe unii simțiți așa. Marș! Bă! Stânga, una, două, go. Yes! Regele. Oh! Nu, cu aia o să mă prindă băiatul cu baloane. Marș! Hai, repede! Marș aici. Pleacă și tu. În stânga, marș. Ok. Bun, hai. Bun! Oh. Bun! Închide! Pleacă de aici. Oh. Hai! Bă, ăsta e. Nu pot să cred. Așa, mă. Te pup. Dă-i. Băiatul cu baloane. Marș. Oh, vine și căcata. Gata! Oh! Și asta a fost noaptea 1. Hai și cu noaptea 2. Dar cum să?
I let you take the night shift. I thought the other guards were too curious. I told you I trusted you to handle things.
Așa.
So go ahead, play your little card. But I know what you did, and I'll be the one who will deal with you. Our creations will be your undoing.
Oh no. I'm quaking in my boots.
And I won't let you live after what you did to my girl. I know what you are capable of. I'm sorry, old friend.
Alo. Seara. Oh, de ce se uită așa?
Hey, it's Joey again. Glad you made it through night one. Tonight's gonna be a little tougher.
And Joe, I'm here again. So, guess what? Your friend from yesterday will be joining in on the fun. You know, little old balloon boy.
Căcamaș în capul,
Yeah.
balloon boy.
Don't be fooled by the cheery name. He's a little troublemaker. Unlike the others, he wanders around without much of a pattern.
As you know, he's got a thing for them vents. You'll see him on the cams moving towards them, and if he gets in, he'll try to drop right into your office.
When you hear him above you, you know he's close.
Păi și ce-i fac?
If he pops out of a vent, shut the vent door immediately. If you're slow, he's in. And trust me, you don't want that.
His movement, it's just so unpredictable. 1 second he's in the hole, next he's crawling above you. Keep checking the CCTV so you're not caught off guard.
And, have you noticed Henry still missing? Haven't seen him at all.
Yeah, weird, right? Especially with that new Freddy Fazbear's Pizza opening this year. You know, it's supposed to be bigger,
Oh.
flashier, with some more animatronics.
Sounds like they're really pushing to grow the brand. Guess Henry's got other things on his mind. Whatever those are.
Anyway, watch the vents, keep track of the others.
Ce
and
vent?
You should be fine.
Good luck out there. We're counting on you.
Oh. No, someone. Du-te în pulă. Bă, ia tu cu baloane, ui, lom. L-aud. Na, a intrat în vent. Gata. Oh, și ăsta la ușă. Ieși! Ah, mi-a deschis și venturile. Unde? Unde? Unde?
I don't want to play anymore.
Nici eu. Furtă-te în gură. Continui și... Oh, și să fac chiar cu venturile.
Hey there, Night Guard. I noticed something off about our dear old Fredbear tonight, so I left this tape here for you. He's been acting very strange the past few weeks. Seems like he's malfunctioning, maybe. You should probably give him some attention. I'll guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, grab his mask and store it away for now.
Henry told us about you. Told us what you did.
Ce-a
Waradu!
First things first, grab his mask and store it away for now.
I've waited for this moment longer than you even know.
First things first, grab his mask and store it away for now. After that, head over to his face. You'll need a... Next, you'll need to grab his right eye, and then his left. Be careful and only remove them when you see movement. Otherwise, he'll notice you.
Okay.
Toss the eyes away after you grab them. Now, move away from his face, and look to your right. There are 2 new eyes in the boxes next to Fredbear. Store them away. Now you can go back to Fredbear's face, and place his new eyes in the socket, just like before in the same order. Also, put his head back on. Now you have to deal with his torso. Grab it carefully and put it away for a bit. Alright, now go to the back of Fredbear's torso, and you'll see some wires. They may be misplaced. Rearrange the wires to the right spots. Now you can put his torso back on. Last step, run a quick diagnostic, you know, just to make sure everything's okay.
You let her die. I won't let you forget that.
N-am lăsat-o, lasă-mă în pace. Poate trebuie să aștept să nu se mai miște.
First things first, grab his mask and store it away for now. After that, next, you'll need to grab his right eye. Toss the eyes away after you grab them. Now, move away from his face, and look to your right. There are 2 new eyes in the box. Now you can go back to Fredbear's face, and place his new eyes in the socket, just like before in the same order. Also, put his head back on. Now you have to deal with his torso. Grab it. Alright, now go and you'll see some wires. It may be...
You let her die. I won't let you forget that.
Alright, that's it. You should be good.
Oh. Yes. Hai. Oh. Știu asta. Asta e și în FNAF 4.
Hey, it's Joe A again. Glad to hear you made it through another night.
Yeah, Joe, I'm here. You've been doing great so far. But, you know, tonight, you got another new threat to worry about. Foxy.
Fox's been pretty quiet up until now, but tonight, he's gonna get more active. He's not gonna roam around like Balloon Boy or Spring Bonnie. He's got his own way of causing trouble.
Foxy's gonna be on a stage. If you see him trying to escape, that's when you need to worry. I mean, if he's leaning out, looking like he's ready to run, You've got to act fast.
When Foxy seems like he's about to make a break for it, close those curtains immediately using the button on your monitor. You can't just leave them shut. If you keep them closed for too long, something happens with some kind of sensors on the fella. You can't be in a closed environment like that for too long. Basically, it'll automatically activate them and, well, it'll force those curtains wide open.
Yeah,
Sure.
you don't want that. Once Foxy's out, he's fast.
No, is he?
Really fast.
Well, you know, speaking of Foxy, I remember something Henry was working on. Something about controlling the animatronics remotely or using them for, I don't know, like experiments or something. And it was right before the night guard noticed that Fredbear was tampering.
Joe! What the hell are you going on about? That's enough! Focus on the job, not on things that don't concern us.
Right, sorry about that. I don't know. With Henry still missing and all, it kind of makes you wonder, like, what was he really up to? And there's the new Freddy Fazbear's Pizza opening up later this year.
Joe, I said that's enough! We're not here to talk about that. Stick to the script. We're here to help him survive, not gossip like old ladies. Or do you want him to end up like the others?
No, of course not. I just... Okay, you know what? Back to Foxy.
Așa.
Remember, you gotta manage those curtains carefully. Close them when it looks like he's about to come out. Don't keep them closed for too long. Just, you know, long enough to make him back off. Joanne, something a bit off. Everything alright?
Oh, I'm fine, Joe.
Așa, unde e ăsta? Unde e ăsta? Oh, nu. Nu. Pleacă de aici. Pleacă. Lași. Bă.
I don't want to play anymore.
Da. Pleacă. Oh. Hai să vedem ce bullshit mai trebuie să fac acum. Ce e asta?
Alright, listen up. Before you go around touching anything, there's some stuff that you need to know. That closet in front of you, mostly empty. But behind you, there's a door. Open the door. Grab the supplies from the box.
Așa.
It's probably going to be dark in the other room, so you use your flashlight to see. Once you're holding the item, turn back around and place it where I tell you to. Simple. Except, everything you do is going to make noise. The door, the box, your footsteps, and you even talking to me right now. That noise, it draws attention. Spring Bonnie and Fredbear are already lurking nearby. They will come for you if you screw up. If you open the door and Spring Bonnie's there, just shine your flashlight right in his face. Don't stop until he backs off. Fredbear's different. If he shows up in the room, turn off the closet light and don't move. Not even a single twitch. Got it? Hopefully. Let's stock the shelves fast and clean. Start with the 4 pizza boxes. Put them on the left side of the second shelf. Okay. Easy, right?
Da. N-am prins să văd ce scrie aici, în dreapta și nu știu să utilizăm camera. Ah, super. Dar de ce trântești ușa? Nu te spără.
Nice. Next, place the 6 paper towel rolls on the left side of the 3rd shelf.
Bine. Hai că nu e așa de greu. Ce faci? Zici că e Kitsu. Da, nu te spără. Dacă intră Freddy, de ce trebuie să sting lumina și să stau cu el în cameră?
Alright. Put the 6 tissue boxes on the right side of the same shelf. You will have 2 extras. Those go on the right side on the top shelf.
Bine. Oh! Cred că trebuie să sting lumina. Ok. 3 4 5 Care să zici că e Kitsu, mâncați-i.
Good. 3 spray bottles. Stick them on the left of the top shelf.
Bine.
I've waited for this moment longer than you even know.
Ce mă bucur e că nu apare și Balloon Boy. Deci dacă apare și Balloon Boy, închide ușa. Închide ușa.
I've waited for this moment longer than you even know.
Închide ușa. Băi, că nu înțeleg nimic.
Something about... I've waited for this moment longer than you even know.
Da, cred că fac 2 episoade, că nu mai am chef și eu după o să fie kilometri. Da, sunt la 4 noapte. Sunt bun, ce să mă... Da, hai pa!